what we're going to look at here, another product that 4J offers. We offer the complete line of the Smith Performance Sprayers. Now, here we have an 18 volt that can also be used as well for mosquito control. Now, whether you're a do-it-yourself at home trying to keep your beautiful property free from mosquitoes, or if you're just in your business, your lawn care business, want to provide a little added service and provide mosquito treatments. What this is a sprayer that has a variable speed, 18 volt rechargeable battery, and a unique tripod head that provides for misting. So instead of a direct line, you get a mist and a cloud. This can be used in shrubs, this can be used in bushes, in beds and gardens, in areas where mosquitoes may get together and make more mosquitoes. All right. The kit, as we sell it, also comes with a backup battery, a backup 18 volt battery. So we've put together a kit that includes the sprayer. All of these things can be bought individually, but it includes the sprayer, the nozzle that you'll need, and the 18 volt battery. Now what you see here is we have this one mounted on a buyer's product backpack sprayer rack. Now this is not included in the kit, but it is a tremendous value. Keep things under control and organized in your trailer or on your truck. And we offer these from Buyers Products, all the hardware, all the lawn care pieces to keep your trailer and truck organized. We have them here at 4J. So you'll find the part numbers below in the description, and you can always visit our website, 4jtotalsupply.com. Thank you.